Noel here, just pointing out a few issues here. This building's been constructed, as we can see. I found on a subsequent termite inspection after handover on it that the termite management system was not adequate. After a lot of grief and heartache for my client, going through the builder, the correct channels of course, through the builder, and also bringing in the QBCC, a rectification order has been put on the company to rectify the problem. Now, this would have been a simple job to do correctly during construction, but as you can see here now, all that cladding's had to have been removed on it. Some serious work. This would not have been easy to get this product in. There's sections here that they're going to have to try and get under somehow on it. That's not going to be fun. Also coming around here, you can see that they've started to get it on here, but missing here. That's timber straight onto blockwork, which needs to be rectified. Also here, they've had to cut out to try and get underneath here to be up to spec. As we come into the house, onto these piers, you can see this was having to be jacked up to install this section on it. Try to squeeze some in here. This section was not to spec. There's supposed to be a 40mm overhang around all piers. So what they're attempting to do here is use a termiticide sealer along here as well to negate that. My point is here, having the correct company install termite management systems, pre or post construction, it needs to be sufficient. It needs to be done to standard manufacturer specifications, and this house clearly wasn't. This has caused a lot of grief for this client, a lot of time. It's been 2.5 years since I was first here. Again, you can see here no correct overhang. Well, just flopping in the breeze there. On it. So doing it correctly the first time, doesn't matter what we're doing, is always the best. Here's another situation they're going to have to rectify, and you can see all the way along this side of the house. So there are correct channels to get this rectified. These people, on advice of myself, have followed those channels, and it is now being repaired. But it does put a question mark over not only this installing company originally, but the builder, and also as an industry on the whole. So look, I'm there to help my clients, or even if you aren't my client yet, I can help you, steer you through the process. Well, you do have the right on a new build to request your installing company for any termite and pest management installations. On it, that is your right as a consumer on it. Also, after any jobs have been done, I do have services of consulting where I will check these things out for you, and then again we can steer you in the right channels, back to the builder, back to the installing company, the manufacturer if need be, and also the QBCC to get these problems sorted on it. So again, if it was done correctly the first time, this wouldn't be an issue at all on it. It's cost this company a lot of money now to fix this on it, but kudos to them. They're back here trying to rectify the problem for them. They understand they've made a mistake, and they are trying to rectify it. So kudos to them for that. Hats off. All right, I'm not bashing that company on it. The company's been around for a long time, but this is clearly a mistake which should never have got to this stage on it. So if you do need help with anything at all in pest management and termites in particular on it, give me a call. Auswise Pest Control, 0419 869 559. I'm more than happy to have a no obligation chat with you, discuss your options of what we can do on it, and then we can move forward and we can have your problem solved so you can live in your beautiful home, worry and termite free. All right guys, all the best, and stay cool in this hot weather.